Hello. Welcome back to my channel, and it's me Mel again, and I'm very thankful for you that you are here right now and joining me in unbagging my Tribe Beauty box. It's a bag now, and I don't know, but usually it's a box, but this time they sent it through in this bag. Now here's the thing why this is in a bag now, because they put more products in here instead of just 5 items before, and now they send I think 6 to 8 products. I'm not really sure yet. So instead of having the box which weighs more, so they use the bag to save on the shipping cost. And this is $34.99, and this is a bi-monthly subscription. But $34.99 plus $3.99 shipping, I think that's what it is. And but I don't pay that much because I have a discount for this, so I only pay $25.99, I think. And what are we waiting for? Let's open this. I really love the color. I like pink. So it won't open. Oh, there it is. And this is what's in here. Oh, it's bubble wrapped. Okay. So nice. Oh, okay. So we have a card. February 2020 Soft Glam. Here's the card. Nothing in the back. Ooh, something new. Okay. There is something new here. I'm gonna pull out first all the items, because I might drop some. Okay, what is this? Okay. I'm liking what I'm seeing. So, they now have a bag. Okay. And there's some items in here. Wow. So shiny. Okay. Now, this is the holographic makeup bag by Tribe Beauty. Tribe Beauty. I don't know if you can see it. I'm gonna put this so you'll see there. It says Tribe Beauty. And it's a good size bag, but I don't know, because they put a price in this, and it says here that this one costs $19.99, and I don't think I'm gonna pay $19.99 for this bag, but it's cute though, and I'm lucky that's in my box or bag, right? And there is no logo, so let's put this aside. Now the first one that I'm gonna be pulling out, this is so pretty, and this is from Wonder Beauty. There you go. And this is the Wondrous Fling palette, and this one retails for $25. So just this one already covers almost the cost of my box. Okay. Now the shades, there's like 6 shades in here that I'm seeing by this. So this one is from, this one is made in Taiwan. Okay. I love the packaging. Very beautiful. And when you open it, ooh, exactly the same, but the pack is so pretty. And ooh, oops, I dropped the foam. Where is it? I'll find it later. Okay, now here are, ooh, Hmm. I thought it would be. Okay. Here are the shades, and they're so beautiful. But it seems like I already have the shades though. I don't know. I like it, but I was hoping like, you know, this kind of colors in here. But it's not. It's okay. So the shades are Bouquet, Blossom, Marigold, Eden, Orchid, and Cedar. Okay, and there's a very nice mirror, good size mirror in the other side. It's okay, but I'm not really happy because it seems like all the Wonder Beauty palette that I have is like almost the same shades, but still it's okay. Now the next one here is this is from the Blur Sticks. Okay, and this is by Iconic Beauty LA, and this one retails for $15, and I got the Blur Stick. I think this is a choice item, and this is the one I chose because it's either Blur Sticks or the Glow Sticks. And again, this is $15. I don't know what's this for. Okay, the Blur Stick filled blur. Ugh. So the Blur Sticks filled with vitamin E. Use this stick to minimize the appearance of pores to look matte and smooth all day. Oh, okay. I don't know anything about this, but that's what I got. I think it's like a foundation or a concealer, something like that. Let me know if you know anything about this. I am not really familiar with this one. Okay, and this one again retails for $15, and this one is made in, I cannot see, this is vegan, paraben free, cruelty free, talc free, gluten free, and I cannot see toxic free. Where is this made from? Made in PRC. Okay, so the next one here is, this is what I really want. I really like this. Okay, these are the brushes from Luxy Beauty, and this two here is $24. Okay, I really love this. I think I have some of this. Yeah. Oh, this is different made, but it's almost the same color. It's just like this one seems like a wooden material. So these are the brushes from Luxy Beauty. So the other one is a mini flat angled brush, and the other one is a blending brush. There. So again, this is $24. Okay, I'm happy with this. I like getting brushes. Let's put that there in my brush holder. And the next one here is, this is from, it's in here. So, this is from Earth Harbor. And this is the Phyto Resurfacing Night Serum, and this one retails for $54. Really? This seaweed collagen superfruit acids. This is 1 ounce. A rich featherlight serum featuring seaweed collagen, tropical superfruit acids, and botanical multivitamins that retexturize the skin to reveal a more radiant looking complexion, all while you enjoy your precious beauty sleep. Gosh, $54. Seems like this is, oh my god, it smells so good. I'm gonna show you. That's how it is, and it really smells good. Smells so good. So this is the Lunalay. Wow. Again, $54. So I'm gonna put that here in my serums. There. Oh, later. Okay. Definitely gonna be using that. Okay. So the next I now have, wait a minute. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's still 2 more items in here, and the next one that I'm gonna be showing you is this is from the Balm. This is from the Balm Cosmetics, and this is the Read My Lips, and this one retails for $15. Wow. And this is in the color Pop. How am I gonna show this? There. Pop. Okay. Okie dokie. Ooh. Oh my. I don't know if the packaging is really cute, but I don't know about the shade though. I'm not gonna swatch it because I am not sure about the shade. And this one is this is made in USA. And again, this one retails for $15. There you go. And the last but not the least here is, this is from Surlum. There. And this is the lash serum. And this one is $29.99. Wow. Where is this from? Oh, this one is made in the US. Surlum by Babe Lash. Okay. The packaging is really pretty. And there's a card here. Ooh. There is the card. Nectar Lash Serum. And here is this thing. Should I open this? Okay. A lash serum used to help promote fuller, darker brows and lashes. Use 1 to 2 times per day across the lash line. Only 1 dip is needed for both eyes. Okay. Let's open this tiny thing. Open it. And it won't open. Oh, it's okay. Let's set this thing aside. Okay. So here is that wand. So you put this on the line. I'll try this tomorrow. Okay. The total for all the products in my bag is $182.98, and I only paid $25.99, I think. But this is the regular box is $34.99, and I am so happy with this month because there's like 8 items in here, and for sure I'm gonna be using everything. Oh, this one, only the lipstick. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be using this because the color is not mm, it's like nah, like that. So that's it for this month. And again, this is a bi-monthly subscription, so the next month will be on April. And I am very grateful that you are still here up to the end of my video. And hopefully I am going to be seeing you in my next video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't done it yet, and the notification bell as well. Thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. And see you in my next video. Bye-bye.